Hi, thanks for joining. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how you can activate the export to GLB or GLTF format. First, let's go ahead and log in to ArtiosCAD. Next, let's head on over to the Options Defaults menu. Here, you might see in the Outputs 3D section that the export to GLB is missing. No worries, we'll add one ourselves. Let's right-click on Artios, add new data, name it GLB, and double-click or right-click and go to Properties. Select the appropriate output file type GLTF, and additionally set the GLTF options for resolution, export format, color brightness adjustment, and others. Here, I'm activating the Microsoft Office color brightness adjustment. After applying, don't forget to save your defaults. Now, let's start Artios again and create a tray. Here, I'm using a standard. Assign dimensions and create a 3D from this die line. Now we are ready to export it. Going to File, Output 3D, we now notice our GLTF format available. Selecting OK, we can save, and this file can now easily be placed in a Microsoft PowerPoint or any other Microsoft Office document. Notice here we are dragging and dropping the GLB file into a new PowerPoint page, ready to show other stakeholders. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial, and find out more at www.esko.com. Thanks for watching.